The COVID surge is taking a toll on our schools. We've been seeing positive COVID cases soar. Right now, the Midland School District has more than 400 cases, and in Odessa, there's more than 350. That includes students and staff. News West 9's Francisco Soto went to find out what that means for classroom learning. Francisco.
Good evening, Crystal. The message this week out of Odessa is they're not closing. ECISD Superintendent Dr. Muri says there's no plans on closing schools or switching to remote learning. That's despite the big increase in COVID-19 cases this school year.
It's about 100 higher than the next highest number, which was 247, was the second highest number. That was a lot of cases in a single day for us. And so we clearly see COVID-19 spiking.
Superintendent Dr. Muri said they have plans in place if needed, but right now closing is not an option.
Our parents need us to remain open. Our kids need us to remain open. We've seen the impact of school closure on the academic lives of our students. And then from a health perspective, we also see that school is the safest place for our kids to be. So for multiple reasons, we are going to continue to remain open.
Dr. Muri said the only reason they would consider closing is due to a safety concern, as in if any ECISD school didn't have enough staff members to operate safely.
So we are closely monitoring every school in ECISD to ensure that they have enough staff members to safely operate. But if any school in ECISD is not able to safely operate simply because they do not have enough staff members, at that point we would consider closure. But right now, that is not something that we would consider.
And as of right now, teacher shortages are not uncommon, so learning to adapt is the way to go.
We have multiple teacher vacancies. We have had to pull groups of kids together, so multiple third grade teachers might have to pull their students together in one classroom. At the middle school and high school level, the same thing may have to occur. Teachers during their planning have covered other teachers' classes.
According to the ECISD website, employees can return to work after being diagnosed with COVID-19 after requirements are met. And as for MISD, staff members can return to work when 5 days have passed since symptoms first appeared, or 5 days since a positive test if no symptoms occurred. Plus, 24 hours have passed with no fever and other symptoms of COVID-19 are improving. The staff must wear a mask for 5 days after they return, and if they do not wish to wear a mask for those 5 days, they must stay at home for 10 days and return on the 11th day. For now, reporting live in Odessa, Francisco Soto, News West 9.